everybody, I'm Mark. Just like everybody else, I love paint pouring and all the beautiful marbling that happens when the colors run together. One of the things I've been experimenting with lately is making my pours translucent so that light can shine through them. I finally figured it out using DecoArt's pouring medium, and I was able to make some beautiful patio lanterns that bring my paint pours to life. It would mean a lot to me if you thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello. And you know I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some paint poured patio lanterns. I picked up these frames at a 99-cent store. Pick up an extra just in case you accidentally crack one of the glass pieces like I did. If you don't use it for this project, you can always frame that amazing photo of your cat. I'm using about 4 tablespoons of pouring medium with only a small squirt of Americana acrylics. Your mix should look like a lighter shade of the paint that you're mixing in. So Minagashi, which means floating ink in Japanese, appears to be the earliest form of marbling and was discovered during the 12th century. Let your pieces dry slowly overnight. Forcing them to dry with heat will cause the pouring medium to crack, but letting them dry naturally will give you a perfect result. Instead of hanging these lanterns, I'm going to set them around my patio with battery-operated lights inside so I can move them around. However, if you do want to hang them like a pendant lamp, I'll leave a link in the description to my marbled pendant lamp DIY, which will show you how. I'm going to leave a link to DecoArt and everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I'm going to leave a link below to those as well. And I will see you next week. Bye.